What is up, guys? It's your boy Falcon back again, and today we are working on a 2002 Acura MDX. I'm going to show you how to replace the blower resistor. So if you need to replace your resistor on your Acura MDX 2002, stay tuned. Alright guys, so we are working on this 02 Acura MDX. We do have a bad blower resistor. How did I come up with this bad blower resistor, or how did I diagnose the issue? Is that 9 times out of 10, the actual blower itself would only have a plug with 2 wires. The 2 wires is just going to be a positive and a negative. So you can just basically get like a positive and a ground cable, run it to there, and then run the positive and the negative to one side. And if the blower spins, that means your blower is good and you can move on. 9 times out of 10 after that is going to be your resistor. Every now and then you'll get like a bad AC module, like the motherboard where you press the buttons, but that hardly ever happens. It's usually either your blower resistor or your blower that goes bad. So once I went straight to the actual blower, I checked it, with the positive and negative. There's really no bad way of testing it. If you put it one way, it's gonna spin one way. If you put it the other way, it's just gonna spin the other way. It's fine. You're not gonna damage it. So just test it out. If it turns, most likely you have a bad resistor. So I went ahead, I took the leap. I went ahead and ordered the resistor. This is the resistor part number right here, which is it's a doorman, and it is 973541. The resistor looks like this. So it looks like we only have 3 bolts. They're 8mm bolts to replace. The resistor is going to be right here on your passenger side on the bottom, and the resistor is I believe it's like this. I already went down there, already saw where it was. So it goes like this, and it's gonna be 3 8mm bolts. So now let me try to get you down there so you guys to see it. Okay, I hope you guys can see this, but this is the resistor right here. I already got it loosened up. You can see a bolt down there. There's gonna be 2 more on this side. So all I gotta do is finish removing them with my hand, since I already loosened them up. And here it comes. It looks exactly, well, it's just different color, but it looks the same. So now I grab the new resistor and place it back in there. There it goes. So now, while I'm holding it there, I'm gonna grab a bolt and kind of put it in the hole where it goes. Like, it only has 3 bolts, so there's really no real way of installing it wrong or backwards or anything. It only fits one way. The shape where it goes into, it has the same shape as the actual resistor itself. So now all this, I'm just filling it with my finger, to be honest with you. I can't see it from where I'm at. Okay, so now I'm just gonna tighten it up with my 8mm ratchet. There it goes. So now all I'm gonna do is put this cable back in here where it went and plug in this cable, and there it goes. Now just test it out. Fans on. And now it's blowing. I can hear some restriction. I can hear the blower on now. You guys can see air coming out, but it's still not flowing so well. So I'm gonna go ahead and check the cabin filter. All right guys, so that's how you replace the blower resistor on this 02 Acura MDX. I hope this video was helpful to somebody. If you guys don't have any AC, there is no air coming out of the vents, check your blower first and then check your resistor. Most likely your problem is going to be one of those 2. Also check your fuses, but it's usually one of those 2. Alright guys, so I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me, share the channel. I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. You guys have yourselves a great day.